Welcome to another Tagalog language learning lesson. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, author, writer of 22 books. Yes, 22, and two of them are right here in front of you. And actually, there are two more at the back and many more with God's help. Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. On the left is a Tagalog language English book, Tagalog English version book, Christ Like Mom and Dad. At the bottom is the Tagalog version, Makadiyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSCD. How are you all? In Tagalog, kumusta po kayo? Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. In English, how are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, author, writer of 22 books, yes, 22, and more, God willing. And English professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor, outstanding teacher, president of the Teachers Association, and also teacher trainer here in New York City, and more. Humility aside, in all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, outskirtspress.com. Speak Tagalog, you'll find at outskirtspress.com as well. And Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, sell bookstores worldwide, globally. And at my two websites, as I have two websites, I invite you to visit my two websites. The first is Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com. And the second one is juanitagutierrez.com. And let's go right here in our lesson, Tagalog language learning lesson. By this time, you know how to pronounce Tagalog. First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. Second syllable has the accent Tagalog, Tagalog. Pag-iral, pagkakaroon. In English, presence. First syllable pag, second syllable I, third syllable ral. The second syllable has the accent pag-iral, that's presence. Or you could say pagkakaroon, pagkakaroon. First syllable pag, second syllable ka, third syllable ka, fourth syllable ro, fifth syllable on. The third syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or bigkas in Tagalog. Pagkakaroon. Presence as well. Example of Tagalog pag-iral, pagkakaroon or presence, may. There is. Or you could say mayroon, have or property. First syllable may, second syllable ro, third syllable on. The first accent is in the first syllable. The accent is in the first syllable. Excuse me, please. Mayroon, that means have or you have a property or there is. Colloquially, mayroon is pronounced as meron. Meron. First syllable me, second syllable ron. Meron. This means the same thing as there is or have or property. But this is the formal way of usage. Mayroon. If you are, shall I say, playing with words and you want to relay the meaning across very quickly, you say meron. Wala. Wala. That means nothing or none. First syllable wa, second syllable la. Wala. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or bigkas in Tagalog, wala. nothing or none. Example, halimbawa, may, there is, may bagyo. May bagyo. In English, there is a storm. Mayroon or have or you have property or also there is the same meaning. Mayroon akong talino. Mayroon akong talino. I have talents. Let's review. Tagalog, pag-iral, pagkakaroon, presence. Example, halimbawa, may, there is in English. Mayroon, have or property. Meron, this is the colloquial version of mayroon. Mayroon is a formal way of saying you have something. Example, wala. Excuse me, please. Example, may bagyo. There is a storm. Mayroon. Mayroon akong talino. I have talents. Wala means nothing or none. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. Enjoy your days always.